Not how much time did you spend like building your blog. The core thing is what's the purpose of your blog. Can your website help Venezuelan migrants? Yes or no? If yes, how would you do so? What kind of content will you be publishing? So concentrate on the content. Concentrate on what do you intend to do with these tools, and don't let them use you as a tool. So this Digital Media for Community Development Pro-Seminar is a chance to explore some ways to use communication technologies to foster initiatives in areas such as education, health, nutrition, environmental conservation, civic engagement, income generation. So students are invited to explore website building, app building, or video podcasts and other resources regarding the internet and digital media technologies to make a better use of this information technologies in a way that can be helpful to their communities and to their own initiatives in the development studies.
This weekend Pro-Seminar has been very helpful. Professor Belda has provided a lot of practical, tangible sort of not solutions, but the tools to help with a lot of our development problems in our own countries. For example, I'm trying to engage more people to be interested in our politics back home in Samoa, and a lot of the tools that have been provided this weekend.
Hi, I'm Joanna. I'm an SID COEX student, and I would highly recommend for anyone, even if you're not SID or COEX, to take this course. It's so relevant. A lot of practical tools that you can and probably will use in your work, and I really wish we had more than just the weekend for this. Yeah, so take the course. If you're questioning it, take the course.
Hi, it's Muhammad Ali from Turkey. I'm an SID and COEX student at Haller School. I highly recommend that course if anyone would like to learn more about the infographics, create the website, personal website, or the project website. You know, it is amazing. It's amazing, and you will learn a lot.
Hi, this is Sonia. I am currently a student at SID at the Heller School of Brandeis University. So for the last 3 days, I have attended a pro-seminar on digital media and communication for development. I have learned a lot between the connection of development and the usage of technology. What I really liked most is how we can use limited resources and make a very big impact on community, regional, even maybe international development. So the best outcome or learning from this specific pro-seminar was using telecommunication or using the technology, media, anything for greater development or for greater impact on the world.